So I want to make a video for you to show you how to get to Gale resources on our school's website. You would drop down under the high school tab to the Library Media Center. So go ahead and click there. And then when you're doing that, you can look over here and pick Gale resources. When that pops up, go ahead and click on the database here. When you get here, because we're doing a pro-con paper, you want to pick this opposing viewpoints database. It really helps show those viewpoints for you. So here you can go ahead and put in your research terms. So I've already put in the password that was given to you by Mrs. Madia on your research plan. So here you want to type in your keywords. I'm going to pick year-round schools. Sorry for the poor filming and typing. So year-round schools. Going to go ahead and press enter. And here you're going to see that there are 12 viewpoints. If you click here or even down here, it'll bring those up for you. There are 3 that are on academic journals. There are magazines over here. There's 24, and there's 244 in the news. So viewpoints are going to be the strongest ones here that might be helpful to you. But you can also try those other things, such as news or magazines. The academic journals would be really good as well. So one thing that's important is you want to make sure you're picking this full text documents. That will be helpful to make sure that you are only getting sources that have the actual whole article there. You don't want to pick ones that don't have that, because you're just going to be getting a snippet of the article, and that won't be very helpful to you. The other thing is right here, you can filter results by publication date. So you'd want to do that if you had a topic that is in like the medical field or the technology or science or something that's really changing and often, and it's up to date, and the newest information would be the most beneficial. Anything in medicine is definitely going to want to pick that. So when you click there and you scroll down, you can kind of decide what is best. Some of your topics, you don't really need to do that. So it's all in what topic you have. Over here, if you click on viewpoints, you can click there and you can go ahead and pick an article. So I'm just going to pick this one for an example. When you're looking at it, it can read the article to you. That is great. So use that if you're struggling to get through the articles. And then down here, you're going to go ahead and read the article. Remember, since you are reading this online, there aren't going to be page numbers, and you'll just go ahead and cite it. The other thing that's important is a lot of your information for where this article came for is up here, but you can also just let it cite it for you. Maybe. It's not working. There it is. So we're using the MLA 8th edition, so you can really just copy and paste this and put it right into your document after you've taken notes. The only thing I want to say is right here, we stop after this accessed. We don't put the originally published. That's extra information that you really could put, but you don't really have to. So you really could just copy and paste that and put it directly into your document, and then that's your source for the day. So you don't really even have to work too hard to cite it. The information's there. You know it's a reliable source because you found it on a database on Gale that's already been reviewed by educators and librarians. So this is just one great place that you can find information. And if you're not getting quite the results you want, up here in your search bar, you can add the words like impact, or you could add pro or con, for, against. Really think of what are those keywords that you need to get the results you need. It's very important to try to just play around with what these search terms are. That'll be your best help in getting great results. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you are researching well. Good luck.